Hello everyone, I hope you are safe and healthy. Today I'm going to teach you an egg recipe that I learned from a friend, and here's how it goes. So for that you need, first I'm going to put the oil. I'm using coconut oil. You can use any cooking oil, vegetable oil, olive oil. Like I say in all my previous videos, I enjoy cooking with coconut oil. So once your oil is heated up, add in the onions. I'm adding 4 medium-sized onions. And fry it till it's nice and translucent. Remember, you can add in a little bit of salt so your onions cook a bit faster. You can add finely chopped onions, but I have added cut them lengthwise because my family likes onions, sweet onions this way. And to that add garlic and green chillies according to the spice that you need in this dish. And mix it well. Cook it on low flame because you don't want to burn the onions. Now to this add half a teaspoon of turmeric and salt. If you've already added salt while frying the onions, you don't have to add it again. Salt to taste, and mix it well. We need to leave the onions to cook for some more time. You can add a little bit of water and cover it. Cook it for a minute or two. Now to the cooked onions, add chili powder, again according to the spice that you need it, and some Dhaniya powder, about 1.5 teaspoons. And mix it. So this way the base for the egg masala is ready, and now next we will move on to the egg drop. So just evenly spread the onions, let it cook on low flame. Yeah, just spread it out like this. To the masala, you need to add coriander leaves, but since I didn't have it, I skipped the coriander leaves. And this is how you slowly drop the eggs into the dish. Ensure that the yolk is intact. Of course, you see one of mine cracked and it's spread, but never mind, and sprinkle a little bit of salt and chili powder. And you need to cover it and cook in low sim. Once the eggs are fully cooked, you can take them out. So I'm going to let it cook for some time and take a picture of the end dish. Thank you so much. Try it. Bye-bye. And you can gently cut, slowly, gently cut your masala egg. And then I'm going to wrap it a bit. See, can you see the masala? And then serve it. Look at that. Yum.